Hello, I am Dr. Ravish Kenny, epileptologist from Esther MIMS Calicut. So today I am going to talk about what is a comprehensive epilepsy center and why should you come to a comprehensive epilepsy center. So when people have epilepsy, they usually the first doctor they consult is either the general physician or a pediatrician or a neurologist or neurosurgeon in their vicinity. So they are prescribed treatment with which majority of the patients seizures get controlled. But unfortunately, despite taking treatment, about 20 to 30% of the people tend to have recurrent seizures despite taking medicines. So for this patient, when medicines fail to control the seizures, it is ideal they come to a center which has facilities for comprehensive epilepsy so that they can be diagnosed properly and the proper treatment can be advised. So a comprehensive epilepsy center in simple terms comprises a team of multi-specialty doctors, which mainly includes a neurologist who is trained in epilepsy, a neurosurgeon who is trained in doing surgery for epilepsy, a radiologist who is trained in interpreting epilepsy MRIs, and also they should have equipment for doing epilepsy protocol MRIs, which is a 3 Tesla MRI. Apart from that, they should have facilities for nuclear medicine, doing a PET scan or a SPECT scan, and a specialist who is trained in interpreting these scans. Apart from that, we should have a comprehensive epilepsy monitoring unit, wherein we admit the patients for recording the seizures to find out what exactly the seizure type is and from where in the brain they are arising. And apart from that, most important thing is that all the people should sit together and they should find a common treatment plan which is suitable for the patient. So be it medical, be it surgical, or be it other therapies like dietary or genetic therapy, whatever is there, a complete plan can be formulated on that. And ultimately, based on this, these centers have facilities for doing advanced epilepsy surgeries with facilities for complex neuromonitoring to ensure that patient seizures are controlled. At the same time, there are minimal complications.